Hello students. Welcome back in our online classes again. So students, see, just you have completed and you have enjoyed a half yearly exam, and I hope you have done it well. So students, see, once again we are going to start our syllabus, remain syllabus. But before the exam, we had started the lesson, the ashes that made tree bloom, the lesson number 4 we had started before the exam. So let's continue it. Let's revise it once again. See, the ashes that made trees bloom, this is a Japanese tale we had started, and I think two sessions we had seen. See, in this story what we have seen, that there is a old couple, old honest and hardworking couple is there, and they were living with their dog named Muko, and their neighbors were ill tempered, and they were envious, and the covetous people were there. So this old honest and the hardworking couple living with their dog named Muko, they love that this dog just like their own kid. So because this dog actually helped them, showed them the treasure of the gold, and this old couple became a rich, and they were also helpful. They started to help others, but the neighbors who were the wicked, they killed the dog, killed that Muko, because that dog didn't show them the treasure according to their expectation. So this ill-tempered covetous couple killed that dog. But even after the death also, that dog that dog helped uh, the dog help his owner, that is owner, that is the old man and the woman, and once again showed them the help them, and tell them that that dog tell them that dog this dog Muko was buried under the pine tree, and also the spirit of the dog dream the old man and tell that cut that pine tree and make one mortar and windmill with the wood of that wood of the with the help of the wood of that pine tree. Actually, the spirit of the dog dreamed the old man and told all these things. After this dream, that old man made a windmill and the mortar means bowl, with the help of the wood of the pine tree, and that mortar means bowl, and the windmill again gave gold to the old man and the woman. So again, when that ill-tempered bad couple, who was their neighbor, saw that this windmill is giving drops of gold to the old woman, and the mortar converted the rice pastry into a gold. So this wicked couple again demanded that windmill and mortar, because they were, we can say, very greedy, and they were observing everything of that good old couple. So when this mortar means bowl and the hand mill was used by the ill-tempered couple, but nothing happened. So in the anger, that bad couple broke and burned broke and broke and burned the broke and burned the windmill and the that mortar. So student, here only we have seen this much part we had studied. Now let's see the remain part. Let's see the remain part of the session. Let me see. Yes, second part we are going to start now. Actually, this is our third session of this lesson, but this is the second part. See, not long after, see, before the exam we have solved this comprehension and solved this exercise. Now we are going to start a second part. Let's start. See the part second. Not long after that, the good old man dreamed again, and the spirit of the dog spoke to him, telling him how the wicked people had burned the mill made from the pine tree. Take the made from the pine tree. See here again what happened. Again at the time of night, the spirit of the dog came into the dream of the old man and inform him and tell him that these wicked neighbors has burned and broke the windmill and the mortar. की जे विकेड कपल आहे, विकेड वाईट जे दुष्ट कपल आहे त्यांनी विंडमिल आणि मॉर्टर मोडून टाकलेलं आहे आणि ते बर्न जाळूनही टाकलेलं आहे. आता काय होतं बघा. At that time dog said to the old man that take the ashes of the mill, sprinkle them on the withered trees, and they will bloom again, said the dog spirit. See, the dog spirit came into the dream of his owner and said that tell him that take that ash which was the made by the hand mill and the mortar and sprinkle it on the पसरवून टाक, sprinkle it on the withered trees. Withered means what? Bare and the dry. Withered वाळलेली झाडं, सुकलेली झाडं, त्याच्यावर तू ती जी ॲश म्हणजे राख, जी राख आहे त्या झाडांच्यावर तू स्प्रिंकल कर, said the dog spirit. The old man awoke. Second paragraph we are seeing now. The old man awoke and went at once to his wicked neighbor's house, where he found the miserable old pair sitting at the edge of their square fireplace in the middle of the floor, smoking and spinning. See what happened? That old man awoke तो उठला आणि he went to the neighbor's house. That wicked means white, ill-tempered, bad, wicked neighbor's house, and this old man saw that this couple is sitting there, sitting around the fireplace. त्यांनी मधोमध जाळ पेटवलेला आहे आणि हे विकेड कपल तिथं बसलेलं आहे. काय करतंय तर स्मोकिंग अँड स्पिनिंग करत बसलेला आहे. From time to time they warm their hands and feet with the blaze from some bits of the mill. While behind they lay a pile of the broken pieces. आणि जेव्हा तो ओल्ड मॅन येतो आणि बघतो की ते विकेड कपल आहे ते त्यांनी मधोमध आग पेटवलेली आहे आणि बसलेले आहेत आणि त्यांच्या मागं त्यांनी लाकडांचा ढीग लावलेला आणि त्या लाकडांच्या मधील ते एक लाकूड त्याच्यामध्ये टाकलेले आहेत आणि काय केलेलं आहे की विंड मिल आणि मॉर्टर जे लाकडाचे जे पाईन ट्रीचे तयार झालेले होते ते सुद्धा ब्रोक केलेले आहेत. The good old man humbly asked. See next paragraph. The good old man humbly asked for the ashes, though the officious couple turned up their noses at him and scolded him as if he were a thief. They let him fill his basket with the ashes. See what happened? This old man went in their house and demanded for the ash. आणि तो तिथे जातो आणि काय करतो की ash मागतो. At that time this bad couple turned up their noses and scolded him. आणि ती लोक त्याला ओरडतात as if he were a thief. जणू काय एखादा चोरच आपल्या घरी आलेला आहे. They let him fill his basket with the ashes. आणि ते त्याला त्याचे बास्केट भरून ॲश ती राख देतात. राख ॲश कशाची बनलेली आहे तर विंडमिल आणि मॉर्टरची, which were made by the pine tree. On coming home, the old man took his wife into the garden. It being winter, their favorite cherry tree was bare. See what happened? Then our old man, the owner of the dog, coming back to his home with the basket of ash basket of the ash, and with his wife he took his wife into the garden. तो त्याच्या वाईफला घेऊन गार्डन मध्ये जातो. It being winter, their favorite cherry tree was bare. विंटर सीझन आहे आणि विंटर सीझन मध्ये झाडं कशी असतात तर निष्पर्ण झालेली असतात, सुकलेली असतात, बेअर झालेली असतात. He sprinkled a pinch of ashes on it, and look, it sprouted blossom until it became a cloud of pink blooms which perfumed the air. आणि तो काय करतो की आपल्या ज्या जी ॲश आणलेली आहे त्यानं बास्केट भरून त्याच्यातली एक पिंच तो स्प्रिंकल करतो, पसरवतो ऑन द बेयर चेरी ट्री. बेयर म्हणजे सुकलेली आहे, निष्पन्न झालेली आहे. There are no leaves. Bare means there are no leaves, no flowers, no fruits on the tree, such a bare tree. अँड फॉर लुक व्हॉट सरप्राईज, ही स्प्राउटेड ब्लॉझम्स, आणि तो त्याच्यावर टाकतो अँड इट स्टार्टेड टू स्प्राउट ब्लॉझम्स, आणि ती चेरी ट्री ब्लॉझम बहरायला चालू करते अंटिल इट बिकेम अ क्लाउड ऑफ पिंक ब्लूम्स, आणि त्याच्यावर सुंदर पिंक ब्लूम्स बघा ती फुलं लागलेली आहेत, विच परफ्यूम द एअर, आणि सगळ्या हवेमध्ये परफ्यूम एक सुंदर सुवास सुटतो चेरीचा. द न्यूज ऑफ धिस फिल्ड द विलेज अँड एव्हरी वन रॅन आउट टू सी द वंडर, आणि सगळ्या विलेजमध्ये ही बातमी पसरते की एक पिंच भरून तो राख स्प्रिंकल केल्यानंतर ती चेरी ट्री ब्लॉझम खूप सुंदर बहरली आणि तिचा सुगंध सगळीकडे पसरतोय. द कोफिशियस कपल also heard the story and gathering up the remaining ashes of the mill kept them to make withered trees blossom. आणि ही गोष्ट ही घटना विकेड कपलला ही कळते आणि ते कोफिशियस धूर्त एनिमियस कपल काय करतं की राहिलेली जी राख आहे ते काय करतं आपल्या बास्केटमध्ये भरून ठेवतात. रिमेनिंग ॲश दे फिल्ड इन द बास्केट. द काइंड ओल्ड मॅन हिअरिंग दॅट हिज लॉर्ड, आता बघा नेक्स्ट स्टोरी चेंज होतीये. The kind old man, hearing that his lord, the daimyo, was to pass along the high road near the village, set out to see him taking his basket of the ashes. As the train approached, he climbed up into an old withered cherry tree that stood by the wayside. See what happened now. Here our dog of the owner owner of the dog got a magic ash which was made by the pine tree, and this information was given by the spirit of the dog, and now he has a magic ash which blossoms the trees. आणि त्याला तशी मॅजिक ॲश मिळालेली आहे की ती झाडं ब्लूम करते म्हणजे बहरते with flowers, with leaves, with fruits. This is a magic ash now he has. So what happened? See, the kind old man hearing, त्यांना ऐकलं की his lord is the king, हिअरिंग दॅट हिज लॉर्ड डेमिओ, बघा त्याच्या लॉर्डचं नाव काय आहे, त्याचा जो किंग आहे त्याचं नाव काय आहे, डेमिओ वॉज टू पास. आणि आता त्या डेमिओची किंवा त्या किंगची लॉर्डची तिथं प्रोसेशन ट्रेन हिअर. सी स्टुडंट्स, द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट द वर्ड ॲज द ट्रेन अप्रोच. हिअर ट्रेन मीन्स प्रोसेशन मीन्स मिरवणूक. सी ट्रेन मीन्स अ प्रोसेशन मीन्स मिरवणूक. आणि तो ओल्ड मॅन ऐकतो की आता आपल्या लॉर्ड डेमिओची प्रोसेशन येणार आहे, मिरवणूक येणार आहे. मग तो काय करतो, ही क्लाइंब अप इनटू अन ओल्ड विदर्ड चेरी ट्री दॅट स्टूड बाय द वेसाइड. आणि तो ओल्ड मॅन आपली ती ॲश आहे मॅजिक ॲश घेऊन तो एका ओल्ड विदर्ड म्हणजे जी ड्राय चेरी ट्री आहे वेसाइडला रस्त्याकडेला, तो आपली बॅग घेऊन ती ॲश घेऊन त्या झाडावर चढतो टू सी हिज लॉर्ड डेमिओज ट्रेन, टू सी हिज लॉर्ड डेमिओज प्रोसेशन. So see students, this is the next this is the next session we have seen. Remaining part we will see to the next period. Till you should read it carefully and read the previous part also, then you will get better understood. Okay, thank you.